This is the Westermann 660 weed brush. This is how it's delivered. The first thing to do is to set the handles to the correct height. Then we do the basic engine checks. This is unleaded fuel for a normal 4-stroke engine. We then check the dipstick for the oil level, make sure that's at the right point. To start the machine, we move the throttle to the start position and start the machine. This is a dead man's handle to engage the cutters. When the machine has started, before you engage the cutters, it's best to tilt the machine backwards so the cutters are rotating free from the ground. There are 12 rope cutters underneath, and also there's a side flap that you can lift up to get close to the wall edges or curb edges. As the brushes wear, adjust the height of the rear axle with this adjustment here. This ensures that the brushes wear evenly and that the head remains parallel to the ground. Also change the brushes when there is 20mm remaining. Now we're going to try and find some moss and weeds to test the machine on. And finally, when the brushes are worn out, tip the machine on its back, pull the red toggle, remove the old brush and replace it with a new brush. As you can see, there's a hole for locating the pin, and that's all there is to it.